AutoDS versus CJ Dropshipping. Which is better? Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be creating or doing a comparison between AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping. Now right off the bat, in my opinion, I would choose CJ Dropshipping. And I will explain to you in today's video why. First things first, you are able to use CJ Dropshipping absolutely for free, and you will be able to integrate and connect it with different platforms without having anything additional to pay. In AutoDS, you have to pay for a trial, which is $1 to even just try it out. And there's more payment actually with different things or like different part of their platform for you to be able to gain access, as you can see here. So in AutoDS, to be able to use any of its features, even if it's the simplest version, you would need to pay $1 to get started. That is the free version. And then there will be more expensive features, or like there are features that you can't really access. And one of it is like a TikTok trend section where you will be able to view the current trending products in TikTok, which you will then be able to drop ship inside of AutoDS. But that is a version or a feature that you would need to pay as well. In CJ Dropshipping, I haven't experienced any feature or any section that is blocked by anything and requires me to pay. So first things first, or right off the bat, CJ Dropshipping is absolutely for free. Anyone can use it. Anyone can create any dropshipping integration and connection between or with CJ Dropshipping. So if you're someone who is saving up or like you don't have any extra budget, I would suggest CJ Dropshipping for you guys. The next thing we will compare is the different platforms that we will be able to integrate with. In CJ Dropshipping, there is a lot of different stores to be able to connect to, as you can see here. So from options such as Shopify, TikTok, eBay, WooCommerce, Lazada, Shopee, Etsy, AliExpress, Wix, and many more, we are able to integrate and connect Shopify, or rather CJ Dropshipping, with a lot of different platforms. And with that, you will be able to start selling on different platforms using CJ Dropshipping as a source of product, which is really great. In CJ Dropshipping, there is also a lot of options. As you can see here, you have AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, Mangod, Walmart, Overstock, Facebook, WooCommerce, and others as well. So they are not limited by a few websites as well. They have a little bit less than CJ Dropshipping, but it has a lot of connection. But unfortunately, like I mentioned, the payment is a very big hurdle to make us choose AutoDS. In CJ Dropshipping as well, it's very simple. Although both of them are very simple when it comes to connecting and importing different products. In AutoDS, I can't really show you guys how it works because I will not pay for the $1. But I could just explain to you guys because I have used it before. But you can see here as well, as you can see, you will be able to add products through this button over here. This is what I was talking about earlier, the TikTok Spy. That is something paid. And over here, you can check out different options, different products, and you will be able to import or draft this to whatever store you have connected with AutoDS. So in AutoDS, you could connect the different platforms, this one's over here, any of them. And unfortunately, you are only able to register once for that $1. So for that $1 that you will be registering and you selected Shopify, it will only be connected to Shopify. You can't create or establish a connection with eBay. That will be an entirely different payment. So if you want to connect eBay, Shopify, and Facebook, you have to pay $3 or 3 separate payments for you to be able to connect that. But in CJ Dropshipping, you will be able to connect it without any issues. Doesn't matter how many stores you have, and you will be able to integrate and sync your different products all together with ease. And as you can see here, to start with CJ Dropshipping, all you need to do is, look for a product that you like. For example, this one, feeding dog mat. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see, you will be able to see information like how much it is, the warehouse it's coming from, the colors, all of those stuff. And you will be able to see here buttons such as list, which will list or add that product onto your store. Or you could also click on connect, which will add product, which is if it already exists, so it will just stock up or like add some inventory. And you could also add to my products if you want to list products in bulk, as you can see. Or you could also buy a sample, which will allow you to buy a wholesale or pre-order the inventory, as you can see. And aside from that, you will be able to check out different sources over here as well. There are different sources. You are able to also view products from other platforms inside of CJ Dropshipping as well. So, for example, eBay, you could look for a product inside of eBay, and then you could also CJ Dropship it through CJ Dropshipping and wherever you have connected it, whether it's Shopify, Shopee, Etsy, AliExpress. So, as you can see here, there's total of 10 global warehouses, a lot of corporate factories, a lot of trusted e-commerce stores, and CJ Dropshipping is very, very great. It has different services or features. You have quick sourcing, 3PL fulfillment, where you could ship and have your products stocked in their warehouse, not your warehouse. You're not going to provide an inventory or warehouse. It's going to be their warehouse. Custom packaging, original design manufacturing, and print on demand and photo and video shooting service as well. In AutoDS, they have features that are things like product research system. You have AI built Shopify store, where you could have your Shopify store built by an AI very easily through AutoDS. You have your product imports. You can also import it from the different supported platforms, as you can see, just like this one over here. Very easy. There's also a print-on-demand feature inside of AutoDS. That is something they both have. And you have product sourcing, which is similar to quick sourcing, and a live chat support. They have a lot of similarities, but in my experience, since I have tested them out at one point, not now because I didn't re-register, AutoDS has a lot of potential. It's very easy to navigate, and you could easily import and get the process started right away. The downside is all the payment and the payment wall that you are experiencing. If you want to use a specific feature, you have to upgrade your plan, stuff like that. In CJ Dropshipping, it's really great. It's a bit confusing to learn their UI at the start, but once you get the hang of where things are located, you will have no issues with using it. The great thing is there's no paywall or there's nothing to pay for except, of course, the product that you're ordering. And so in the end, I would always choose and I would suggest CJ Dropshipping. Maybe in the future when AutoDS has improved more and made their purchases more justifiable, I would try and compare them both again in the future. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.